Ayete Abashongo la
Tumis
Abashongo la
Tumis
Abashongo
Zwelithini
Bathi ushilo Bekungekho ngisho indawo yokubekunyawo njengoba bebengangoZulu eyaMakheni abantu bebemi onqenqemeni lemigwaqo bezohlonipha okokugcina ingonyama yesizwe samaZulu njengoba umzimba wayo ubusuka emakhazeni endawo KwaNongoma namhlanje uya esigodlweni.
Lapha umzimba wengonyama yesizwe samaZulu ubusuka emakhazeni olibangise kwesinye seyigodlo zesilo emotweni ephambili khona inyosi yesilo ubaba ubuze etsheni mdletshe obelokho esithuke njalo isile njengoba sizotshalwa nje namhlanje abantu bebebonakala bezixongololo emgwaqeni bezohlonipha okokugcina ngci ingonyama kaZulu kanti iningi lithi libhlungu ngokukhothama kongangezwe lakhe.
Ukuhloniphana okubalekile kakhulu iqala lapho nje indawo before uqhubekele phambili nokuthuthukisana ke ngathi mawungcono kunomunye yenza nomunye abengcono njengawe kanjalo kanjalo.
Ngiyakhala kakhulu nguNongoma sifile ngoba singabasebenzi bakwaNongoma silahlekelwe isilo besisikhonze kakhulu kuyo yonke into ebisilwela kuyo yonke zonke izinto zabantu besifazane la kwaNongoma.
Yebo nami ngitheka ngiphume ngize ngizoyibonela ngizoyidelela ngoba into mosayizwa ikhulunywa kwesinye isikhathi uyungakholwa kodwa namhlanje ngitheke ngize ngizoyidelela ngizovalelisa indaba ezitha sisihamba kahle hlangana lomhlabathi umuntu abantu bebathanda abantu.
Imoto ebithwele ingonyama ibishaya ngolonwabo nyawo kanti kuthoma kufika ngasesigodlweni amabutho kaZulu ahlonipha okokugcina unomthebe wesizwe. Ingonyama yesizwe samaZulu kulindele ukuthi itshalwe namuhla ebusuku kanti ngokwesiko lwesintu abesilisa kuphela abavumeleke ukuthi babe khona uma kutshalwa ongangezwe lakhe.
Akashongo njalo kandaba Zulu salwa nempi.
Bejane phuma esiqiwini inyathi kandaba ejame ngomkhondo phezulu komzimvubu Nkosi ethombele ehlathini amanye amakhosi ethombele ezindlini sithilala uphumule nomthebe wesizwe. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC ngibika ngisegoli.
Kuyimfihlo shando kuyimfihlo kakhulu ukutshalwa kwengonyama namhlanje ingakho singakwazi ukuthi sixhumane nezintatheli zethu einkanise le KwaNongoma ehlala Nkosi.
Kunjalo uzokhumbula phela ukuthi ngosiko empeleni ngokomthetho wakudala bekufanele singazi noma isikhotho mengonyama bekufanele sazi ingonyama uma ngabe ke sekubekwa ingonyama entsha kwakunjalo ngani na kwakwenzela ukuthi kungabi nje nesikhala sokuthi kube khona mhlambe abafuna ukwenza utho njengamanje nakuba ke izinto sezithe ukushintsha kancane kodwa basalandela lapho ukuthi ezinye zezinto ngaphela kuningi ngempela okufanele singakwazi okuyingxenye yobukhosi okwenza ukuthi ubukhosi beyilento futhi sihlale sibuhlonipha.
Karigase semaphethelweni yamalungiselelo okutshalwa kwesilo samabandla kwaKhetho Mthandayo KwaNongoma. Uhulumeni waKwaZulu Natal ububambe isithanga imisabe indaba namhlanje kuseni malungana namalungiselelo okutshalwa kwesilo.
Izinduna amakhosi amabutho omama izinsizwa kanye namatshitshi balokhu betheleke njalo esigodlweni sesilo kwaKhetho Mthandayo KwaNongoma bezobhonga emswaneni. Isilo sizotshalwa namhlanje ebusuku enkonzweni ezobe ingavulelekile emphakathini. Ngaphansi kwesigaba sokuqala se-lockdown izwe elikuso njengamanje bayikhulu kuphela abantu abavumelekile ukuthi bethamele inkonzo yomncwabo noma isikhumbuzo. Uhulumeni waKwaZulu Natal uthi ukutshalwa kwesilo kuzohambisana nemigomo yokugwema iCovid-19.
In terms of the live broadcast and pool fit, in accordance with the COVID-19 alert level 1 regulations, which are currently in place, which prescribe that attendance at a funeral is limited to 100 persons. Only a limited number will be permitted to attend the service.
Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sesilo samabandla izosakazwa bukhoma ku-SABC kanye nakwamanye amaziko ezindaba kanjalo nasezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
To accommodate mourners who may not be able to attend the memorial service physically, government wishes to advise that the funeral service will be broadcast live on SABC platforms and other major broadcast channels. In addition, arrangements have been made for both services to be streamed live on the following government online platforms under Twitter, under the hashtag RIP King Goodwill Zwelithini.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ulindeleke ukuthi ethule inkulumo kulenkonzo kusasa.
Inkosi uMandla Mandela engumzukulu wabe engumengameli ubaba Nelson Mandela ithi ubudlelwane bomndeni wakhe nesizwe samaZulu busuka kude esizukulwaneni sesithathu ngesikhathi iNgonyama uDinuzulu kanye neNgonyama yabathembu uDalindyebo bethamele ukusungulwa kweANC ngo1912. Ukusho lokhu ke kwakhetha umthandayo ngesikhathi eyobhonga emswaneni. neNgonyama yaseMalawi iNgonyama yamakhosi Mbelwa ibiyobhonga emswaneni.
We will forever remember, as the Mandela family in particular, the role Isilo played during the transition period where the country at large was almost engulfed by conflicts. And he played an instrumental role in restoring peace, not only in KwaZulu-Natal but throughout the country. So we truly mourn with the royal family and the Zulu kingdom. And we came to sit and comfort their majesties, the queens, and the royal family, to say that we share our heartfelt condolences on the passing of His Majesty.
To me, I felt it would be an honor for me to come and pay my last respects here, knowing that we all came here to benefit from the wisdom that he had, knowing that he was the most reigning heir. There was a lot that we benefited from him, as witnessed by me coming here. That it shows that he had connections all over. He didn't want his people. He didn't want to disconnect from his people, because if it was somebody else, he was going to say that you people are now going to Malawi, we can no longer be related. But we are here today just as a symbol that he was a loving man. He was a father, not to the only Zulu nation, but even to us people who are in Malawi. We are spread all over in Zambia and Tanzania, which clearly shows that he was a loving father, and we are here to pay our last respect and to mourn with the family.
Indlondle nophaphe ekhanda kamenzi ndaba ulalele lo muntu omemezayo sengathi uyakhala uyalila uthi igula likaJama chithekile chitha ingqondo endala kwamalandela besibindi buthelezi ngokukhuthazela umntakandaba yebo bebemthuka bebemcokofula bethu Zwelithini kayi kubusa kayi bankosi